A side hustle can make you rich. My name is Feldon Richards, and 5 years ago, I started my cell phone repair business with no money and no brand. Now I'm a 30-year-old, stay-at-home, work-from-home dad running a 7-figure cell phone repair business. I have over 10 employees working with me, and my business can run without me if I so chose it. That's passive income. Now, I started this business because my son broke his phone. We took it to a repair shop, and they only made it worse. So I decided to go online and watch a couple videos, and then I became an independent contractor for a company that sent me a repair kit and taught me how to repair cell phones. I got addicted to the hustle, and 3 years in, I quit my job. I never thought that this side hustle would have turned into a business that can help me generate 7 figures, quit my job, hire one of my childhood best friends, get to work with my wife, and show my kids how business works. If you want to learn how I was able to launch, grow, and scale a profitable cell phone repair business, you save this post, then I want you to comment or DM me the word PR, and I'll send you the link to the free business startup training. Till next time, peace.